Ah. Hey friends, it's Cal. We took a bus and we turned it into our dream home on wheels, but that's not the point. The point is we're about to take you and this bus all the way across. Did you hear Zephyr just huff? Well, we're about to take you all the way across the country and back. So now is the perfect time to subscribe. That way you know you're along for the ride. Before we drive, we need to talk. Yeah, we need to talk. So I know you remember the whole breakdown thing. I'm sure you also remember us getting 2 new kittens. And then as a new family of 6, we made our way up to Tennessee where I had no clue what a Buc-ee's was. However, I will be back. Then we drove our way over to Kentucky. I don't know, we're in Kentucky.
Kentucky.
Where we explored some caves together, which was so much fun. I don't know how we ended up in Kentucky, but we did. Just had the best day ever. And then we very quickly made our way over to, what was it again? What state are we in?
Illinois.
So we're in Illinois. Illinois. I guess we're in Illinois. But that very quickly turned into us heading over to Missouri. Yeah, because then we went to the Gateway Arch.
Gateway Arch.
Gateway Arch.
Gateway Arch. Gateway Arch.
It's like a big, so that was cool, but then we left and we made our way over to South Dakota. I think we're in South Dakota. We did this thing, which really threw me for a loop. It was to head west, because we're trying to get to Oregon in just a few weeks. To head west, we needed to head north to South Dakota. So now we are west, but north, but in South Dakota, and we're gonna take you on a drive to a very unexpected stop. I had no clue this was on our list. It was not on our list. We did not know we were gonna be stopping here, but it was kind of the Alrighty, to show you where we end up stopping, I gotta stop this and carry on with the vlog. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Don't forget to buckle up. It's gonna be a little less bumpy today, but you're still gonna need those seatbelts. It is gonna be a wild ride. Are we going under that?
Yep.
That. Do we fit under that?
Yeah. 14 feet, 10 inches. We're 13.
No thanks. Blake, where did we just show up? Where are we?
Mount Rushmore. Whoa.
Whose bus is that?
What's up, or go lay down?
Say, Jabber, get in there.
Look out your window and up when we get to this tree.
Yeah. I don't like hills, cliffs, mountains. Oh, but that's a beautiful shot.
Where is that?
Do that one more time.
I was hacking loogies out the bus in Missouri when I first got sick. And I shot one out the window on the highway. Right out the window, except I forgot I just shut the window.
Huh? Whoa, I'm blue. Okay, it's all better now. That was funny. Okay, we're doing the thing. South Dakota. Oh my goodness. It's really beautiful. That's all we got. It's really beautiful. We had no clue this was even going to be kind of a spot we would fall in love with as much as we did, but we really are liking South Dakota so far. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. I don't know. Our special side quest, that was really fun. Neat to check out, something I never really thought I would see. Not much going on, but this next stop we're gonna take is a favorite. We ended up loving it so much, we end up coming back. You'll see, it'll all make sense later, but you're gonna fall in love with this next spot with us, so stay tuned for next week. And I guess one last thing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit a few buttons for me. I need you to like this video, hit the little bell thing. It'll let you know when my videos go, hey, I'm here. And then you can also subscribe, letting me know that you're along for the ride. And that way, you don't have to do anything. We'll see you every week. It's gonna be awesome, I promise. And then lastly, and for a comment, I want you guys to go back to the last second of this video before the outro thingy and let me know what you saw, and let me know if you have any guesses as to where we're headed next. All right, I will see you guys down the road. My camera's blinking at me. The battery's gonna die. What else is new? But I will see you soon. I mean, down the road. Bye. Whoa. South Dakota, South Dakota.